Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on LastPass, and first off what you gotta do is click on get LastPass free. So after clicking on it, you have to enter your email. Just enter real quick, and after that enter your password. Is this what you meant? Nay, no. No, why is it saying this? No, guys, you shouldn't really be bothered by this. So here it is, guys. So here is it, guys. So as I have told you in the previous videos, guys, you always have to be real careful when you enter your Gmail, because small mistakes can happen and it may take you a long time to just find those mistakes. It's really good that this site gives you the like correcting of your Gmail. This was really useful for me. I was not real careful when writing in my Gmail, but I really shouldn't store in which you're logging in. So we have to add our master password. So here it is, guys. So our password was from the start at the maximum strength. It was really and it really wasn't that hard. And a reminder. Let's say no, I don't need a reminder. Why should I need a reminder, guys? So here is it. We're in here successfully. So I have to install the browser extension here. Just click on add extension and wait a few seconds till it downloads. So it is 60 megabytes. You have to have the enough space to download it, but it's really light. Like maybe some sites opens in one time. It should take more RAM than this, but it's done. So here it is, guys, and after that you're just gonna log in. Here we are, LastPass. Okay, so here's a starter kit. Like, you can do these things like add your first password, try autofill, sure, your LastPass vault, stay connected anywhere, but we don't need this things. So first let's just add a password. So the URL, it's like it could be YouTube. So here is it. Here it is. Okay, so I didn't already make that. www.youtube.com. That's it. So after that we can name it to YouTube plugin. After that we can set it in a folder. I don't know, if you want to. We can say we can set the username of the account and the site password. Let's say my site password is nay before you get a whooping. So that would be our password, guys. After that we can add some notes if you'd like to. you can also set some advanced settings like require password prompts, auto login, and autofill, but I won't do this. So you can see, guys, that we can launch the site just by clicking on this button, and after that we can just enter. So also we can set notes, like I have already made a note that's for a Fortnite account. I've set the name for Ford because for Fortnite for short, and Fortnite account, and the password is Baba123123, and the password is low12123. So we can save it, we can add an attachment if we would like to, we can add I guess a picture, so we can also add addresses, payment cards, bank accounts, security dashboard, so we can see how safe are our accounts. So we can see that we don't have at-risk passwords, multi-factor authentication, we don't have that, but we can activate it, and we don't have trusted devices, and we don't have permanent mobile devices. And if we just add these things to here, we can just higher our safety, I guess, score. So guys, let me show you the plans right here, guys. So there are 5 plans in total, guys, my bad. So the first one is the free one that we're using so we're using right now the premium bundle, which is for €290 per month. But the free trial, I'm on the free plan, gives us these perks like the unlimited passwords, 1 user per account, 1 access on one device type, and etc. But with the premium plan we get everything that is included in the free plan, including these perks. Also in the family's plan we get everything that is in here, but also this. There are also the business accounts that are the team's account and the business account. So the business accounts you have to pay per seat. Like if you'd like to buy a team's account, you just have to pay €3.90 per month per user. You can see here, guys, and we can also get a free trial to see what things we get. And the business is also on the same principle, €50 per month per user, and is billed annually. And that was really it for the video, guys. I hope that I have helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one later.